Imagine that you want to gather clients' feedback on a product or a service, and you need to analyze their sentiment, whether it is positive, negative, or neutral. However, you don't have enough data to train an AI model, or you're short on time and need quick results. Luckily, in Python, we can use TextBlob to do that. TextBlob is a Python library that provides easy to use tools for natural language processing, including sentiment analysis. We can install TextBlob via pip install TextBlob. Then we import TextBlob from TextBlob. We create our sample text. For example, here it's a text saying I love Python playground page. Then we create a TextBlob object. Later on, we get the sentiment polarity and subjectivity. Then we print the results. We get two numbers, but what do they mean exactly? The polarity score measures how positive or negative a text is. It ranges from -1 to 1, and if it is positive, it means a positive sentiment. If it is negative, it means a negative sentiment. And if it is close to 0, it means a neutral sentiment. As an example, a negative text like I hate this movie would yield a polarity score of -1. A neutral text like the book is on the table would yield a polarity score of 0. And the positive text should yield a positive score. Subjectivity ranges from 0 to 1 and measures opinion versus factual information, closer to 0 being more factual and closer to 1 being more opinionated. So, for example, a factual text that contains a scientific fact would display a subjectivity score of 0, whereas a text that contains a sentiment or a personal opinion about a cake would yield a subjectivity score closer to 1.